How often should a beginner train? 2, 3, or maybe even 5 times a week? Hi, this is your coach Andrew. Today I want to break down one of the common myths that keeps beginners from getting results. Many people believe that in order to lose weight, build muscle, or simply feel better, they need to train every single day. But that's not true. And for a beginner, it actually can be harmful. If someone who hasn't trained for a long period of time suddenly jumps to 5-6 workouts per week, the body simply can't recover. You get soreness, fatigue, irritability. And within a couple of weeks, all the motivation disappears. That's why, in the beginning, the key is not how much you train, but having the right frequency and proper recovery. Once you build your foundation, then gradually you can increase your volume and intensity. And today we're going to look at 2 real effective strategies for beginners. What to do if you can only train 2 times a week, and how to train if you can commit to train 3 times a week. Why it's important for beginners to not overtrain. When someone just started, muscles and joints aren't adapted yet. The cardiovascular system is weaker, the nervous system fatigues faster, movement technique is still unstable. If you overload beginner too often, the body can recover and progress stops before it even begins. That's why 2-3 sessions per week is the ideal starting point too. Give the body a stimulus, allow it to recover, and keep motivation and consistency high. Now let's move on to the strategies. Strategy number 1. Training 2 times per week. Best for very busy people, total beginners, people who often fail to stay consistent in the past, those returning after a long break. The main goal with 2 workouts per week is to train entire body each session. Because you only have 2 weekly training opportunities, you need to stimulate all major muscle groups. Day 1. Full body basic movements. Focus on exercises that target multiple muscle groups at once. So you can do squats, especially a goblet squats is going to be a great option for beginners. Dumbbell bench press, dumbbell rows, glute bridges, and the different planks variation. Elbow or the dynamic 2-3 sets of 10-12 reps. It should feel challenging but under control. Day 2. Full body but with a different emphasis. The goal is to repeat full body format but with a slightly different movements to give the body a new stimulus. Lat pull down, reverse lunges, overhead press, Romanian deadlift, and something for oblique muscles. I like bicycle crunches. The strategy is simple. 2 full body sessions, not too heavy but consistent. And trust me, 2 workouts per week, it's not little. It's perfect for beginners. Strategy number 2. Training 3 times per week. If you can train 3 times per week, progress will be faster, while still being comfortable for beginners. Day 1. Full body. Slightly more volume for lower body. Moderate pushing volume and small amount of pulling work. The exercise can be Romanian deadlifts and squats, different variation. Dumbbell bench press and push-ups. Lat pull down, glute bridge, and the plank finisher. Day 2. Light lower body, moderate pulling volume, more pushing work. The exercises could be heavy dumbbell bench press, light leg press, and reverse grip row in a machine. Day 2. Full body. Moderate lower body and higher pulling volume, core, and 2 light sets of pushing movements. Here you can increase the challenge slightly. Lunges, pull-ups, machine rows, hip thrust, push-ups. Cardio is optional, but keep it to no more than 10-15 minutes if done after strength training. If you had a heavy lower body day, skip cardio. How to know you're progressing correctly? First of all, strength, working weights and reps. The most important indicator of progress. A beginner should see more reps with the same weight, or the same sets but with the better technique, or a small increase in weight but with the full control. If strength goes up, your muscles are adapting. Training is working. Number 2, exercise technique. At the beginning, this is more important than weight. Look at squat depth, core stability, controlled full range of motion, no jerky movements, ability to engage the correct muscles. Better technique equal safer and stronger movement patterns. Number 3, recovery between sessions. A simple but essential metric. Pay attention to how quickly muscle soreness goes away, how tired you feel after workouts, wherever you have enough energy during the day. Number 4, well-being and energy levels. Training should add energy, not drain it. Good signs: better sleep, fewer back aches, easier to climb stairs, less breathlessness, and morning energy improves. If after 2-3 weeks you feel better, that's excellent progress. Number 5, visual changes. Not every day, even not every week. Beginners must avoid obsessiveness. Best tools: progress photos, how clothing fits, posture improvements, body feeling more toned and firm. Visual changes often appear sooner than scale changes. And additional body measurements, waist, hips, chest every 2-4 weeks, and scale weight optional. If someone is emotionally sensitive to the scale, avoid it. If you're a beginner, forget daily workouts, unless they only 15-20 minutes long. Start with a realistic, sustainable foundation, 2 or 3 workouts per week. You'll be shocked how much progress you can make in just 1 month when you train correctly and consistently. If you found this video helpful, support the channel. Your like, comment, and subscription help me create content like this.